Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorials how to resize canvas size. For example, I will create new file and I will use these options template for example. Click use this template. Now I will draw rectangle in this point and we set color. If you want to resize this canvas size, you can go to image menu, click resize canvas, and in there I will set for width into 1500. You can uncheck scenery, and for height I will set into 800. If you done, click OK to apply, so the canvas automatically resize. To resize again, you can click image menu, go to resize canvas, and I will set height 1000 and for width 500. Click OK to be automatically change the canvas size. You also can resize this object by clicking at this point and set it to center point. Okay, that's it how to resize canvas in Krita. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.